He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of intensity, creativity, and unwavering determination, Changbin didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a passion for music and storytelling into one of the most respected careers among his generation of performers. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 11, 1999, in Yongin, South Korea, Changbin's journey began far from the sold-out arenas and international stages he would later command. From a young age, he displayed a strong interest in music, particularly in writing lyrics and expressing emotions through words. Rather than simply listening to music, he became fascinated by the creative process behind it, developing a passion that would eventually shape his future. His dedication led him to JYP Entertainment, where he entered a demanding trainee system designed to develop future stars. During this period, Changbin worked relentlessly to improve his rap technique, songwriting ability, performance skills, and overall artistry. His determination quickly set him apart, earning recognition for both his work ethic and creative instincts. His breakthrough came in 2017 when he appeared on the survival program Stray Kids. Throughout the competition, Changbin impressed audiences with his powerful rap delivery, confidence, and natural leadership qualities. Following the group's successful formation, he officially debuted as a member of Stray Kids in 2018, beginning a journey that would take him to audiences around the world. As Stray Kids expanded globally, Changbin became known as one of the group's defining creative forces. His aggressive rap style, sharp lyrical delivery, and commanding stage presence brought a unique energy to the group's music. Whether performing intense tracks or emotionally driven songs, he consistently demonstrated versatility and artistic depth. Beyond performing, Changbin played a major role in shaping Stray Kids' musical identity. As a member of the production unit 3 Racha, he contributed extensively to songwriting, composition, and production. This creative involvement helped establish Stray Kids as one of the industry's most self-produced groups, earning respect from both fans and fellow artists. By 2026, Changbin is regarded as one of K-pop's most accomplished rapper-producers. Industry professionals recognize his creative contributions, audiences admire his authenticity, and critics frequently highlight his growth as both a performer and songwriter. His career reflects consistency, artistic ambition, and a clear commitment to long-term development. Off-stage, his lifestyle combines discipline with balance. Fitness has become an important part of his daily routine, and he is known for maintaining a strong training schedule alongside demanding performance commitments. Despite his intense public image, he often embraces a more relaxed and grounded approach to everyday life. His fashion style reflects confidence and individuality. Changbin frequently combines contemporary streetwear with refined modern looks, creating a personal style that feels both powerful and approachable. Whether attending public events or appearing in casual settings, he projects a sense of self-assurance that mirrors his artistic identity. While public curiosity often surrounds his private life, Changbin remains selective about what he shares. He consistently focuses attention on music, creativity, and personal growth rather than unnecessary publicity. Within the industry, he is often described as hardworking, loyal, and deeply committed to his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects years of success through album sales, world tours, songwriting credits, endorsements, merchandise revenue, and Stray Kids' continued global expansion. More importantly, he has built lasting credibility as an artist whose influence extends beyond performance alone. What many fans find most compelling is the contrast between his fierce stage persona and his warm personality away from the spotlight. While his performances are often intense and commanding, those who follow his journey discover an individual known for humor, kindness, and genuine appreciation for the people around him. Changbin's journey is defined by creation rather than imitation. From an aspiring songwriter in South Korea to a globally recognized rapper, producer, and performer, his rise reflects determination, discipline, and artistic vision. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern K-pop excellence, ambitious, authentic, and built for lasting impact. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of grace, emotional sensitivity, and refined vocal tone, Jimin didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a foundation in dance into one of the most expressive performance styles in modern pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 13, 1995 in Busan, South Korea, Jimin's journey began far from global stages and international recognition. Performance was his earliest language. He trained in contemporary dance from a young age and later attended Busan High School of Arts, where he developed discipline, control, and emotional storytelling through movement. Encouraged by mentors, he pursued an audition for Big Hit Entertainment, stepping into a path that would reshape his life. Years of disciplined training followed. Entering as one of the later trainees, he faced intense pressure to match the level of others within a short period. Through persistence and relentless practice, he refined his vocals, dance technique, and stage presence while adapting to the demanding standards of the K-pop industry. In 2013, he officially debuted as a vocalist and performer in BTS. The group's early impact quickly positioned them as a rising force, and Jimin's expressive dance style and emotionally driven performances became one of the defining elements of their identity. His performance style, fluid yet powerful, precise yet deeply emotional, stood out across both high-energy choreography and slower, introspective pieces. As BTS expanded into global markets, headlining stadium tours and dominating international charts, Jimin emerged as a key figure in bridging performance artistry with emotional connection. His solo chapter marked a significant evolution. In 2023, he released his debut solo album, Face, with tracks like Crazy, achieving historic international success. The project revealed a more introspective layer of his artistry, exploring themes of identity, pressure, and self-reflection. Rather than relying solely on group success, he demonstrated individuality and personal storytelling. By 2026, Jimin is regarded as a versatile global performer. Industry professionals recognize his consistency and emotional depth. Audiences connect with his authenticity, and fashion houses view him as a refined cultural figure. His career reflects careful growth, balancing group achievements with solo exploration. Offstage, his lifestyle blends discipline with quiet elegance. He maintains routines that support physical conditioning, vocal care, and mental focus. His approach to daily life reflects balance, structure, and sustained creative attention. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic identity. Known for sleek silhouettes and modern luxury styling, he frequently represents global brands and appears at international fashion events. His poised confidence allows him to transition seamlessly between performance stages and high-fashion environments. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently directs attention toward his work and artistic development. Within the industry, he is described as dedicated, introspective, and deeply connected to his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, endorsements, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, he has secured international recognition and lasting influence within the global expansion of K-pop. What many find compelling is his emotional transparency. Through both performance and music, he conveys vulnerability and sincerity, creating a connection that feels genuine and enduring. This emotional clarity defines his artistic presence. Jimin's journey is defined by refinement rather than repetition. From a dance student in Busan to a global performer, his rise reflects discipline, sensitivity, and artistic intention. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, expressive, composed, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.